Eventually, the power pack, motor drive system, and pulse voltage frequency generator will be replaced by a revolutionary new type of power system called the electrical particle generator. Together, the EPG system and the fuel cell will be as one. Like all research and development projects, the prototype unit is always redesigned into a viable production unit once operability is obtained. As an example, the entire electrical control system will be replaced by the EPG electrical generators. Likewise, the fuel cell will become smaller, utilizing more efficient exciters, as previously described. To accomplish this task, the EPG electrical generator, as schematically shown, was developed to overcome the opposing magnetic field problem associated with conventional rotary generators. Simply described, the EPG system moves a permanently magnetized fluid medium through a closed-loop system, allowing the magnetic field to pass through a coil of wire, satisfying the law of physics, producing electrical energy. One of several ways to move the permanently magnetized material is by using a turbine wheel affixed to a miniature-sized motor drive system. These drive systems are design variable, utilizing variable speed AC/DC electrical motors powered by conventional and/or solar electrical energy. Hydraulics may be used, steam power, wind power, even manpower if necessary. To provide variable frequency cycle, orientation coils are utilized and pulsed on the control means. To climatize the EPG system, simply coat the power unit with a waterproof material. The geometrical design shape determines power yields. Simply increase unit size for more power output. To do away with the turbine wheel, the EPG system can utilize an electromagnetic pump assembly as schematically illustrated. By electrically pulsing the pump assembly sequentially, the magnetized fluid or magnetized gas is moved through the tubular system. Increasing pulse rate increases fluid velocity, increases electrical power output. Beyond this, the EPG characteristics remain the same. In terms of reliability, the EPG system is fully augmented as an electronic device without any mechanical moving parts. As such, the electronic EPG system has no bearings, no contact brushes, only the magnetized fluid medium is moving, but never wears out. There is no limit to its application when climatized. In microchip electronics, light energy is superimposed onto the magnetized gas, causing gas velocity to co-equal light velocity when the tubular core is converted into a light guide. The magnetic spin generator, as shown schematically, pulses dual orientation coils to cause the permanently magnetized particles to rotate on their axis, allowing the magnetic field to transverse the pickup coil, producing electrical power. By simply increasing pulse rate, pulse output is increased. In opposite contrast, the particles do not circulate through the tube. To overcome the pulse limitation of a single coil, the multi-coil arrangement, as shown, are pulsed sequentially, increasing frequency response on the output terminals. Likewise, the magnetic spin generator is climatized by simply coating the unit with waterproof material. As previously described, the EPG system can become multi-tier as shown. This configuration will not only allow variable electrical power output, but will also allow for multi-balance phasing regardless of frequency demand. In all cases, the EPG system can provide both DC and AC power output at any voltage levels. In all cases, the power input into the EPG electrical system moves the magnetized material but does not create the magnetic field for electrical power generation. Because of these design features, the EPG electrical generators will be retrofitted to the water fuel cell affixed to the car. As in all cases, the water fuel cell technology being applied to the dune buggy will also be utilized in all areas where energy is needed. Since the water fuel cell technology is a universal technology, its potential use is unlimited throughout the world.